Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and believe it or not, I am blessed again with another Happy Meal. This one is from Let's Talk About It with Jamie. Jamie is a lot of fun and has a fun channel. I kind of know what it is, but let's get to it. Jamie has some pretty high-end dolls on her channel. She does a lot of openings. She premieres a lot of her openings. She also has a shop, and she opens boxes of stuff she gets in and kind of gives people there the first dibs on stuff if they're interested. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness, Jamie. Thank you. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Here is a vintage Ken. How nice is this? Oh, beautiful Barbie. Hair is going to need some work, and you know I'm not afraid of that. Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, here we go. Oh, I don't remember seeing this girl before. Look at this tiny little braid, and she has a streak of purple in her hair. Really beautiful tan skin and the big Barbie feet. But that is not a problem because I have those shoe soles that Darren makes that I make sandals for him. So there you go. Oh wow, there's more. There's more. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is one of my favorite face molds. I really like this. It's more mature than the Millie face. I like that a lot. And one more. Oh, my goodness. Look at her. She has teeth. How beautiful are these dolls? Jamie, thank you so much. You know what? Oh, no, I thought maybe she could ride a horse, but she cannot. Oh, she's really pretty. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate each and every one. I really mean it. Take a look at Jamie's channel. We're going to leave a link below. And if you like Cabbage Patch dolls and Ballerino dolls, you will really like her channel. Jamie buys new in the box, vintage new in the box Cabbage Patch dolls, and she has some absolutely rare and beautiful dolls. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.